Welcome back to Fun English Friends. Today's story is called My First Train Trip. In this video, you will practice listening and speaking skills, learn useful travel vocabulary and expressions. Now, let me tell you about my first trip by train. Hello. My name is Camila. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face and take a shower. This morning, I had a meat pie, hot coffee, and an orange for breakfast. I feel excited and a little nervous. I pack my bag and check my phone for ticket schedule. Then I go to the train station by taxi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station, please.
Okay. Please get in.
The taxi is clean and comfortable.
Is this your first train trip?
Yes, it is. This is so nice. The driver is friendly.
Here we are.
How much is it?
It is $5.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice trip.
I get out of the taxi and walk into the train station. The train station is big and busy. I see many people. Some people wait for the train. Some people buy tickets. I go to the ticket counter. A staff member is there. I smile and speak politely. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to buy a train ticket.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the city.
What time do you want to leave?
At 9 o'clock, please.
Okay. The ticket is $10.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your ticket.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
I feel happy. I check my ticket and walk to the platform. I look at the train schedule. My train arrives at 9 a.m.
Let's see the schedule. The train to the city center arrives at 9 a.m. Perfect!
Soon, the train comes. It is long and fast. I get on the train. Inside the train, it is clean and bright. There are many seats in rows. The seats are soft and comfortable. I see lights on the ceiling. I see a screen with the train information. There is a place for bags above the seats. I find my seat and sit down. I sit by the window. I see houses, trees, and rivers. The view is beautiful. I read a book and listen to music. After 2 hours, the train stops. I arrive at my destination. I get off the train and smile. I feel happy. Traveling by train is easy and fun. Useful vocabulary. Today, we will learn some new English words. First, I will say the word slowly. Next, I will tell you the meaning. And finally, you will hear an example sentence. Let's get started. Train station. Meaning, a place where trains arrive and leave. Example, I go to the train station by taxi. Ticket. Meaning, a paper or digital pass that lets you travel. Example, I show my ticket before I get on the train. Train schedule. Meaning, a list of train times and destinations. Example, I check the train schedule on my phone. Ticket counter. Meaning, place to buy tickets. Example, I go to the ticket counter. Platform. Meaning, place to wait for the train. Example, I wait on the platform. Comfortable. Meaning, relaxing and nice. Example, the train is comfortable. Destination. Meaning, place you go to. Example, I arrive at my destination.
Thank you for learning with us. You did great today. You can listen again the story and practice every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. See you next time.